Hello all, Jamie here from Craftmania, and it is that time again when we bring you not one, not two, but 3 boxes from Hunkydory. Now, I did order this, so I do know there is lots and lots of new goodies in here. So shall we delve in? We'll start with box number 1 off to this side and see what we can find. Now, as always, all of the items we're going to be sharing with you in today's unboxing video are now going to be available in store if you'd like to come and find us at 5 Hewitt Road, Gapton Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. Or, of course, you can order all of these goodies on our website. We have over 10,000 product lines on there from lots of the top brands, including what you might have just seen arrived recently is the brand new Spellbinders brand as well. Ooh, lots of goodies going on in store and online. Pop onto the website www.craftmaniacraft.com. Everything is available under brand pages or, of course, product pages, including, look at the sparkle on this. That's a bit yummy, isn't it? This is Diamond Sparkles from Hunkydory. This is brand new. We've never had this before. And I have a feeling, by memory, we might find a few different options in this product. Let's dig in through some of the packaging and see what I can find. So already in your 10 packs, you've got ruby, we've got black, we have got the rose pink, we have, let's have a little look, purple lavender. There is also silver coming out of the boxes as well. And this is one of the products that was actually requested by one of our customers to get in. They said, well, I use it, I love it, I need more of it. Why do you not have it? Can you get it? And we said, of course we can. If it is Hunkydory and we can order it for you, we will get it for you. You can have it. So here it is. We also have the value pack. This one has 50 sheets in here. So as you can see, a whole array of colours running through this one. There's 2 sheets of 25 colours. And I believe there's a little bit of a cheeky saving on being able to buy it in a bigger pack as well. Now, of course, all of our Hunkydory items come with 10% off on the website too and in store. So there's already 10% off. And then you're going to get a bit of a saving because you're buying in bulk. So it's a good time to get hold of it. And of course, on top of that, you're going to get your inner circle reward points. Whether you come in store or you order online, you're going to collect points too. Now these keep coming in and flying out the door every time we talk about them. These are 10-fold cards and they are the 7x5 size. So a few more packets of those coming back in. Another thing that keeps disappearing before our very eyes are the books. Now these are the adorable scoreable books. So this is volume 2. We've got quite a few volumes available in store. And these tell you how to do all of your different shaped projects. And they're themed and there's a whole collection of them. So you might want to check those out. Again, 10% off, and somewhere in these boxes, I'm hoping we've got some more scoreboards because you keep buying them all and they keep flying off the shelves. But I have a feeling there's a few more in here somewhere. There is also the Prism, A World of Colour Crafting Handbook number 2. And this is an introduction to the Prism watercolour pencils, which we of course stock as well. So that's a good little booklet to help you find all of the ways in which to use those and get the best out of them. Very helpful. Then, to finish off box number 1, what have we got here? We have got, oh, this is a bit yummy. This is confetti acetate. So it's got this beautiful confetti edge running down the side of it. There is 16 sheets in here, and we are receiving 4 sheets of 4 different colours: gold, silver, holographic, and white. I want some of that. That looks lovely. Then we have got for you brand new printable parchment. So if you like the look of like vellums and parchments and you actually want to print on it at home, maybe you want to print off a favourite colour scheme, a favourite background, a favourite picture, maybe you've got some CD-ROMs you like to print from, maybe there's a certain team or something that you support or need to have an item for, this is your moment to be able to print that and have that lovely soft vellum finish to them. Then we've got Snowfall Mirri. Now, Snowfall is something that, of course, we know and love from Hunkydory, but we have yet to have it come in stock. And I know why. It's because we started stocking Hunkydory just before Christmas, maybe, or just after Christmas. Times with me, they never work, but recently. And obviously, we're now currently in February. It's a bit early to be thinking of Christmas, but I decided I couldn't live any longer without Snowfall everything. So I got a little bit carried away, and we have got Snowfall Miri, we've got Snowfall Adorable Scoreable, and these packs, by the way, loads in these. There's 24 sheets in this pack of all of the different colours of Adorable Scoreable with that foiling on it. And then with a Miri, again, 24 sheets in that one, lots of different colours coming through. But I know by memory, as we dig through these boxes, not only are we going to find the Miri and we're going to find the Adorable Scoreable, somewhere, if it was in stock, we will hopefully find a considerable amount of acetate as well. So let's keep digging. Oh, these are new, I believe. I think these are the new ones. Let's have a little dig. Let's see what's coming. There are, these are the new pads. So there is some brand new pocket pads. There is a lovely, look at that dragonfly, that's cute. These are going to be popular. Let's dig through these. There's lots of these. I got a bit carried away with these. I have a feeling you're going to rather like these. So you will see that there is lots and lots and lots of these. 4 designs, and we've got flowers and there's dragonflies. And we have got perfectly patterned pocket pad as well. Let's bring that one out. And then there is some sports ones. The sport pads always prove so incredibly popular, these ones. And this is the guys, Sporty Guys pocket pad. So we can see some weightlifting, we've got some golf going on here, we've got some running, we've got some football. It really is going to tick all of those kind of elements for us. Then there's a few more of those ones. As I say, I did get a bit carried away with these. You can see there's a bit of a pile going on here, isn't there? That little teddy is so cute. I love this one. The bundles of joy pads, that's a need as well, isn't it? I don't know how I say that about all of these, really. I need all of them. Now, to go with the pocket pads, something we haven't had before is the Hunkydory Miri packs in pocket pad size in colours. We already do them in rainbow, silver and gold, but these ones took my eye. These are the coloured sets. So if you've got a coloured background like that beautiful dragonfly, and you wish to have the right size mat and layer to go with it, then of course you've got that in Miri form. So it's just going to match. You can see straight away from this image, you could go for your purples, you could go for your pinks, you could go for your lilacs. They're all going to be in that packet for you. So they're new, something nice and shiny to add to your collection. And because we could, we've also done the same again in the next size up as well. So this is for the little books. So if you've got the little books, you've again got your multicoloured pack of Miris to coordinate with those as well. Then a little back in stock line, just some duo paper pads. I believe they're ones that are returning. And then lastly in this box, we've got some of the 8x8 Miri mats again. So those, once again, a bit like all of the other sizes we do, they come in 8x8 in the gold, the silver and the rainbow. So lots of those options. But we also have them in 7x7, 5x5, 6x6. Oh, there's a whole host of them. There's a whole shelf, literally a whole big shelf full of them. Okay, moving on to box number 3. What's in box number 3, I hear you ask? There is some more sparkle. More sparkles. And this time we have got the ombre effect. Look at this, that's gorgeous. So this one's 50 sheets and it's the ombre style colour. So you can see here how we've started with the dark tone, ended up at the light tone. 50 sheets in them ones. So again, with these, we are going to be receiving lots of colours, I should imagine. 10 designs, 5 of each. They're a need, aren't they? If we talk of needs, they're a need. Then we've got more of the single sheets. So these are the single colours. So you've got the lovely lime greens, the sort of fresh greens, the mint greens, going right the way through into the aqua blues. They're all going into the single sheet pack, so the 10 sheets per packet. Let's go over to that side. Then we've got a little bit of Adorable Scoreable, just some top-up elements. Those I didn't have many of them, so I could only get ones of them. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's yummy. Look at that for a pattern on Miri. That is gorgeous. That looks like we've worked for hours with alcohol inks and sort of different techniques to create them. That's another need for me personally. So they're new. Then we move on, and we mentioned the acetate, didn't we? The Snowfall acetate. These are your 24 sheet packs coming out there. So good value for money, huge value for money. Then we've got the 16 sheet packs coming through here. Lots of those. And then if you just want to sample it, you don't want loads and loads, then you've got the 5 sheet packs. You can buy it in 5s, 16s or 24s. And of course, the more you buy, the more you're saving. And on top of that, you've got your 10% off. Then glue guns. Glue guns are back in stock. We need these. Then scoreboards. You keep buying these. They're going out the door quicker than we can order them. So scoreboards in both sizes, the little and the large, to of course go with them books. And then last but not least, we're getting them all out. These little things, these fly off the shelves quicker than we can even get them in the door again. These are the glue sticks and of course the glue pens. And that completes all things Hunkydory for today. So 3 little boxes this week, full of goodness, full of newness, full of exciting shimmeriness. Now, what's your favourite? Tell us in the comments. What's the bit that you're most excited to see us have arrive in store? Because we'd love to know. We are very nosy people. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can pop in store and you can get your hands on all of these goodies. You're going to pop in store at 5 Hewitt Road, Gapton Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. Or, of course, you can pop onto the website www.craftmaniacrafts.com. If you wish to, you can head directly to the brand page section, and it says shop by brand on the menu, and then every single brand we carry has a designated page, so you can head onto the Hunkydory page and find everything we've been talking about. And I often say about 300 other items. I should imagine that's more like 4, maybe 500 other product lines now that we carry from Hunkydory. We do as many items as we possibly can fit into the shop, so you can have a little look at those on the website as well if you wish to. Once again, if you spend over £15 here with us at Craftmania, your P&P is completely free if you're in the UK. If you wish to upgrade it to first class P&P, that's a flat rate of £3.95. If you wish to spend less than £15, maybe you just want a glue pen. We've all been there. We've run out. We need a glue pen quickly. No fear, you can have a capped P&P of £2.95, or again, you can upgrade for £3.95 to first class P&P. If you're watching this around the world and you'd like to get your hands on some of these goodies, then of course you can order online and have them sent to you wherever you may be. Check out the customer service tab and it will drop down and it will give you postage and packing. Give that a little click and it'll tell you all about how international shipping works. But in short, your postage is capped at £10. The most you will pay is £10 to have any goodies sent to you. If we find your P&P cheaper than £10, we'll actually refund the difference to you. If it costs more than £10, then here at Craftmania, we will pay it for you as our way of trying to keep P&P costs at a minimum wherever you are in the world. If you have any questions about any of the goodies,